Well, hey there, this is Jerry, and I'm bringing you another episode of What's Broke Today. And today, pretty simple thing. This is a Branson small farm tractor. The pin that goes in that holds the bucket up on its bracket come out. So we just got to get the bucket and that setting back up in its perch, and then the pin back in. So shouldn't be that big a deal, but let me get the camera set up and we'll get her going. Okay, to get started, I got me a block of wood here and a 4x4, and I'm gonna get my bottle jack set up so we can push this piece back up. And then I went and got my come along, and I'm just going to hook it here on the bucket. Yeah, and get it stretched out a little first. Yeah, I think I'll just put this here, and I think I can just yeah, that might work right there. And of course, I got it hooked to the back of a Kubota. It looks like I got to go up about 2.5 to 3 inches, so oh. There we go. All right. They're just about there. There we go. Just about got it. All right, I got it back in its pocket. Let me fire this thing up. so I can get the correct pin. I just brought a Carter pin to drop down in the hole. Keep that in there for now, but I ain't. Yeah, but there we go, back in, sitting in its saddle, and like I say, somewhere I got some of these smaller pins. I just don't know. I gotta look and find them. But yeah, that's one more. That's a simple one to get done. Yeah, that's probably going to turn out to be less than a 10-minute video, but hey, I appreciate you watching. Loving all those thumbs up for the likes. Appreciate all the comments, and I'll say, just not a subscriber, come on and join in, because no telling what else you're going to see on What's Broke Today, and our Branson Tractor is another one of those examples. Have a good one. Thanks.